Our trainee is now following the steps to learn how to evaluate an unconscious patient. Virtual training allows you to safely practice skills needed in real-world scenarios.
This is the virtual learning for the S-Series hoist. First, our trainees go through the exercise instructions, and then they examine the model to complete the exercises to deepen their knowledge.
That's excellent. How has this virtual training improved your learning outcomes?
Well, we noticed that the 3D visualization creates better understanding how the hoist works, and also the people is more engaged and focused to the subject during the training.
We have created several industrial maintenance scenarios by importing relevant 3D objects to space. With these specific instructions, our students of mechanical, electrical, and automation engineering get familiar with these maintenance cases.